Hey guys, I'm going to show you a really quick tutorial on how to obtain the Hell's Retriever on Blood of the Dead. Surprisingly, it's pretty similar to the Mob of the Dead version of getting the Hell's Retriever. You will have to feed 3 dog heads and then go pick it up, but the location of the dog heads are different and the pickup location is different as well. The 3 dog head locations are in the new Industries building, which is a new location for us. The original cell block location, that's the same, and then there's a new one outside of the Warden's house. The first location in the new Industries building is located right outside of spawn. You just go through this $1,000 door and then the dog head is going to be on the opposite end of the room. Same with Mob of the Dead. You need to get 6 total kills to finish the dog head, and you need to wait a few seconds between each kill. Make sure he's actually swallowed the zombie or you'll be wasting zombies. Once he's eaten the last zombie, his head will retract into the wall, and then you'll know you'll be finished, and you can move on to the next one. The second dog head location is the one that is the same from Mob of the Dead. You just want to come to the center of the jail. This is Michigan Avenue. You can see up at the top left. And then make your way into the cell block's 2nd floor. Same thing, just kill 6 zombies in front of this dog and let him eat them all. And once he does, he'll go into the wall and you can move on to the one outside of the Warden's house. Before you can access the 3rd dog head though, you need to go and turn on a power source that's at the docks. You'll need to go inside building 64 and there's going to be 3 power switches, and one of these is going to be down and you need to flip it. And this is random every game. Once you flip that power, it's going to open up the Warden's office and it allows you to go through here and open up the barrier to access this dog next to the Warden's house. Again, feed 6 zombies to this dog, and once you're done, you can go pick up the Hell's Retriever. And to pick that up, you need to go inside the Warden's house, and behind the staircase, there is a fast travel to the showers. Hold X or square to take that fast travel, and while you're underneath and in the lava, you're gonna see the Tomahawk on a little mound in there. Just hold X or square when you pass over it, and you should be able to easily pick it up. The Hell's Retriever has the same mechanic from Mob of the Dead. You just hold down R1 or R2, whatever you have your controller set up to, and you'll see these 2 flashing rings, and then you can let go and it will kill a group of zombies. And just like in Mob of the Dead, the Hell's Retriever will pick up power-ups, but just know that if there are a bunch of zombies around, the Hell's Retriever will prioritize the zombies over the power-up and kill them and miss the power-up. There is an upgrade to this, and it is the Hell's Redeemer, and it has been found at this time. I'm putting together a video right now, and I'll have it uploaded later today. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video. Hoorah!